All right, welcome to Wi-Fi Wednesdays. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we meet here on Facebook Live and Zoom each and every week to discuss what's the latest and greatest in Wi-Fi marketing, what's new with the platform, and what we are up to. I also leave time at the end to answer some questions, so get some ready. If you do have them, I will be happy to answer them right now. So this week, I got a couple quick things to talk about. So we have a new members area that's going to be coming very soon due to popular demand. We're going to be reorganizing all the content that we have into a very nice and neat members area. And this new members area is going to be a separate academy. It's going to allow you to go in, take different courses about the platform from beginner to advanced about the platform specifically, and then a whole other set of courses all around selling. I kind of did a sneak peek of it last week, but this talks about questions to ask if your client has Wi-Fi, if they don't have Wi-Fi, how to pitch, what to say, essentially the whole end to end. And then after you get the client, how to maintain that client, how to send them reports, how to show the value concurrently, how to justify the fact that they're paying you recurring monthly, and then also how to upsell to increase your overall revenue. So all that's going to be included in the new members area. It will be always a work in progress. I saw that a bunch of you have already reached out to me to be contributors to that. If there is anyone else on the call here that hears this, that wants to contribute to the academy, if you feel that you have a great strategy, if you like teaching others, if you like documenting your process, please let me know, and I'll be happy to feature you as a trainer in our new academy when we release it, and that'll be happening very soon. I'm currently working on it now, so I anticipate be able to sneak peek for it for you guys soon, and then hopefully launch shortly thereafter. We also have new reports. Now, this whole new report system is something we've been working on for a very long time. This is the automated reports is going to be the second iteration of this, but the first one is to be able to customize your reports to see them all nice. So in fact, let me give you a little sneak peek right now on what that is. So let's talk about the new reports here. Let me just get it up on my screen. All right, so this is what our new reports look like. It looks just like our other reports, but this has something really cool and unique about it that I'm going to show you guys right now. So if you look on the left-hand side under the Analytics tab, you'll notice here your reports. You have your client. You can filter by client. You can filter by location. And we're going to be adding a new drop-down over here called Reports. Okay, so Reports will allow you to generate custom or saved reports for specific criteria. So if I look at this report that I have already, you'll notice right off the bat that I can edit this. So there's a little drop down, you can edit this report. I can change a whole bunch of things here. I can edit the header, so I can change the actual color scheme. I can put the client's website, the email, or contact information on this so it looks a little bit more customized. I can change my logo here. So this logo will actually be the logo of your brand or your company. You can change your color scheme. We're going to be adding more color schemes here as well. Change your text color, change the name of the report. But the cool thing is here that you can actually reorder the elements. So if let's say you wanted to show total logins first, and then you really wanted to show the map second, you can reorder these elements. You can also hide the elements. So let's say they only have one location in the map. It doesn't really matter because they only have one location. You can disable, you can hide this element. So this is a chance as you create these custom reports and you send them to your clients, you only want to show data that's relevant and data that really tells the story of the success you're providing them. So the map is great if you have multiple locations. If you're plotting multi over here, if you only have one location, you can hide that. You can also edit the elements. So you can make it invisible if you want, as I showed. You can also over here edit the type. So you can change it from graph to table. So let's say I wanted to quickly change instead of showing it like this. I want to switch the guests, or over here, I want to switch the total login types into a table format. So this actually shows me numbers and percentages for my report, if that's something I want to show. It also makes it easier for a client to really get and understand the value of what they have. So you can change all of this, you can edit it, do all that, and then you can also print it. So one click, you can print this report, printer friendly, save this as a PDF. This shows everything you need, and this is just loading up over here. So as you can see, like everything that you would need in the system is now here. It's all editable, it's all customizable. And the next step for this is to be able to schedule these reports. So you can customize a report, create one specifically for your clients. And here's in preview mode, this is what it looks like. It's one page, no tabs as a long report. So you'll have this, and you can then automate this report to send this to your client, 9 o'clock every Friday or whatever you want, so that when your client receives this, they might be too lazy to check the dashboard, in which case you're kind of creating a custom dashboard in the data that you want them to see that shows your value. You're setting this up, you're setting a schedule to say, I want to send this client this every Friday at 9 a.m. or whatever time you want. That will automatically send this report to them directly. Cool. So that is the custom reports that is coming out really soon. And also, I just want to pick people's brains over here. So I talked about the members area, how we're going to have that great members area with how to use the platform, advanced features of the platform. And then we're going to have a separate section all about selling. Now, it occurred to me that when we have our academy, it's going to be called, the My Wi-Fi Networks Academy. And, in many cases, you might not want your clients or your employees to go log on because you don't want them to know that My Wi-Fi is your provider. So we are thinking about potentially creating a solution where we can clone our members area or clone all of our sales training, all the new training we're going to be doing. We're going to clone all of that and put it into your own branded members area. So this will be, academy.yourdomain.com. When you go there, it'll be most of the same content that we have, no mention of My Wi-Fi, but all jam-packed with sales strategy, with how-to, with cold calling, with all the sales training that I would really be training you guys to do, that you ultimately have to, translate that to your sales teams. This will be a platform in which your sales teams can log on, register. You can see exactly who's completed what course, what progress they're making, and all of the content is already done for you. So you don't have to recreate the sales training. You don't have to do any of that. You literally just get one of our private labeled members areas, and then we then offer this down the chain to you, to any of your clients that want to educate themselves. So please let me know, either chat, comment in the Facebook group over here, or send me a chat request on Facebook, or actually prefer intercom. So like right on our help desk, support desk, just send me a message through there. And if you're interested in having a branded members area, so your own white label members area, let me know, and we'll see what kind of demand we have for that, and if we can get that rolling for probably our platinum members or our premium members on the program. All right, those are the two big announcements I have this week. I've been super swamped kind of getting all that in order, so I don't have too much else new to share with you, but we hope to make those releases by next week, and we'll have a lot more to share with you as far as timelines and schedules on everything else then as well. So great, thank you. I see a bunch of chat requests in Zoom. So yeah, I'll be sure to get those out to you. Cool, we have one question here about the AR150, and yeah, that's actually great because those who are wondering, we have a new mobile and portable device that we're going to be releasing very soon. Likely also next week, it's going to be for sale, or maybe even earlier, we'll run a pre-sale on it. It is the GLI AR150. It is a super flexible device. We're actually going to be shipping it with an AC adapter and a LAN cable. So if you guys are used to buying it on Amazon, you know that if you buy it from Amazon, it does not come with a network cable and does not come with an AC adapter, in many cases leaving you having to go buy them. So in this case, we're actually packaging inside the same box. We're going to add we'll have the AR150. We're going to add the USB cable to power that. We're going to add a LAN cable, and we're going to add an AC adapter so that you don't have to buy another separate USB adapter to plug it in. If you are anywhere else in the world, you could use any compatible USB adapter. That's totally fine. But we are going to put a North American AC adapter in every box, just so you have it. When you open that box, it's going to be right there. You don't have to go get more parts if you want to have a plug-in solution. If you want to have the mobile solution, you don't need that. You just plug right into your phone and everything is all set. So I will be releasing that shortly. And as I said, because we're going to be including more peripherals in there, it'll be a little bit more expensive than it would be just getting it on Amazon. But keep in mind, you don't have to do the firmware. It all comes pre-installed, pre-configured. It comes with the LAN cable and the AC adapter. And you can also drop ship this to your clients with a full instruction manual, also going to be included in this version. So the SH100, as you know, did not have a manual. This does include a manual that tells you exactly step-by-step how to plug it in, what port to put in. It has the cable, it has the AC adapter and the LAN cable all in the box. So there's nothing else you need. It's a small box. You can literally fit in your pocket, and you can then drop ship those to your clients. All they have to do is plug it in, turn it on, and it's automatically configured with our system. So that is coming out very soon, and I'd likely going to put it on for pre-sale by end of the week. So keep an eye out, because we are going to be doing a pre-sale sale to allow you to get an added discount if you order it before it is available to be shipped. And we will be starting shipping likely end of next week. So you'll get it, within the next 2 weeks if you do the pre-order. All right, any other questions I can answer right now? All right, guys. Well, I think that's all great. Michael, if you want to send me a note on the support, I'd be happy to chat with you. And if anything else comes up, please do message us on support. Our support team is always standing by. So don't be shy to reach out. On that note, thanks everyone so much for joining me live. Anything else that we can get to, please let us know, and we'll be talking to you soon. Take care, everyone. And actually, just one final thing. Al's asking about the platinum and the white label members area. We're considering that. We're not ruling it out, making it available to others. However, there's plenty of work involved to do that, so there might be an additional fee, but I can assure you it'll be well worth it, because the value you'll get on the ROI and training your sales team and having a ready-to-go members area to scale your business is invaluable. So I highly recommend taking a look at that when we release it, and I'll be sharing more of that with you shortly. On that note, thanks everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the Facebook group. Bye-bye.